One of the things I'm appreciating more and more as I'm getting older is how adjustments help me sleep better. It affects my mood and how I can go about my day, how much I can get done in a day. Back to playing sports and loving it and, dominating people in their 20s whenever I'm 10, 15 years older than them. I have 3 people on my speed dial: my mom, my husband, and my chiropractor. You only do one thing for your body, make it chiropractic. Getting an x-ray, having a consult, that's what I did as step 1. Just come and give it a try for yourself.